Tuak, which means service, Fa'alalo means respect, and Alofa means love, are crucial in Samoan social relations. How has this helped you in your life?
That's a good question. This is the most important question of my life and my family's life. Well, as me growing up, as 15, I'm a kid. All that what you have listed has been really strong in my family. Even though we struggle, even though we have cried, laughed, fight, get sauced up by grandma, even though we don't live the out, right? We all have that. We all share that. And I think all of us should do the same. And love is the most important word to me and my mom and my family. Family is love. Love is family. And family is stick together